being displaced by AI. You transition from someone who might be replaced by technology to the expert who builds and manages this.
Hey everyone, my name is Kei Chu and I'm a migration and education consultant with Excel Education. I have spent the last few years advising students on study options in popular destinations such as Australia, UK and Malaysia. In today's video, we'll be talking about artificial intelligence, aka AI, which is becoming one of the hottest program choices for students. If you're considering a career in AI, Malaysia is rapidly becoming one of the popular destinations to study and build a career in AI. I'll be highlighting some of the key benefits of studying AI in Malaysia and what career opportunities are out there. I will also provide some recommendations at the end of the video, so make sure to stay until the end. Let's dive in. Before we talk about programs and university options, it is important to understand just how integrated AI has become in our world today. More than you know, you have likely interacted with it dozens of times without even realizing it. For example, when you open up Netflix and see a top pick curated just for you, or when your favorite music app, Spotify, builds a Discover Weekly playlist. That is an AI algorithm analyzing your behavior and providing you with recommendations. From the dozens of chatbots you have used to assist you with online shopping, solving problems, and built-in smart assistants in your mobile phone like Siri, we are relying heavily on AI every single day. AI is a tool that is helping us to make our daily lives more efficient and personalized, providing us with better quality of living. Now, let's talk about why studying AI is the preferred choice for many students in today's landscape. If you're looking for a skill which is future-proof, there has never been a better time to study AI today. As we all know, in recent times, there are many jobs being displaced by AI automations. This has led to what I call the AI anxiety. Many senior professions who have spent decades in mastering their roles are suddenly being displaced by AI technology, leaving them with no choice but to restart their career in a new role. That is why choosing the right program to study now is a big decision for your career in the future. In my opinion, the most effective way to combat this anxiety is to master the skill itself. By studying AI, you transition from someone who might be replaced by technology to the expert who builds and manages this amazing tool. Beyond the security of long-term career, the financial rewards for AI specialists are substantial. This is often referred to as the AI wage premium, where an expert in AI can command a higher salary compared to other specializations within AI. According to Indeed Malaysia, an entry-level role in AI in the country can now expect to earn roughly around 110,000 annually. This is higher than a typical fresh graduate in IT, which generally makes around 50,000 annually. The pattern is also very similar if you are looking to kickstart your career in IT in other countries as well. This salary advantage is a reflection of a massive unmet demand for experts who can integrate AI into industries like consumer products, healthcare, and finance. As AI technology becomes more integrated into each industry, graduates with the right skill will become highly employable in the future. You may ask, why study in Malaysia? Imagine a study destination where you can receive world-class education, which is affordable, conducted in English, and tropical, beach-like weather. Malaysia is also home to many world-class universities, such as Nottingham University from the UK and Monash University from Australia. These international universities have chosen Malaysia as their destination of choice to deliver high-quality education to students through investing heavily on multimedia teaching campuses and facilities. Unlike many other study abroad destinations in Asia, Malaysia utilizes English as a medium of teaching for all programs taught in private universities. This means you are not just getting a qualification, you are also mastering a global language of technology, business, and science. Outside the lecture hall, you will find that English is widely spoken across the country, making everything from navigating public transport, shopping, and ordering food really simple. Perhaps the most strategic advantage of studying in Malaysia is its role as a gateway to the rest of the world through a diverse option of international universities having campuses in Malaysia. Through innovative twinning program options and the presence of foreign university branch campuses in Malaysia, studying here provides you the chance to earn a world-class foreign qualification without needing to pay the exorbitant fees and expensive living costs. You may ask, what is a twinning program? In short, Many university programs in Malaysia offer you the chance to complete your degree abroad in the final year of your studies. A classic example is the 2+1 twinning option, where you study 2 years in Malaysia and the final year overseas. Say, if you are interested to get a UK qualification, Nottingham University has a campus in Malaysia which offers students to study the full degree in Malaysia or experience life abroad through either the inter-campus transfer program or tri-campus exchange program. The inter-campus transfer program provides you a chance to complete your remaining years of study at a UK campus, graduating with a global recognized degree while gaining unforgettable cultural and academic experience. However, tuition fees for the transfer year will be charged according to the host campus fee structure. The tri-campus exchange program, on the other hand, requires you to only pay the Malaysian tuition fee, but you get to experience less than 6 months of studying and living abroad. Ultimately, choosing to study isn't just about getting a certificate. It's about gaining a global perspective in a safe, dynamic, and welcoming environment that prepares you for an international career. One of the most compelling reasons to study in Malaysia is the exceptional affordability, particularly within Kuala Lumpur and Selangor, where majority of the nation's top-tier universities are located. While students receive a world-class education that rivals global standards, living costs such as food, rent, and bills remain significantly cheaper compared to other popular destinations in Singapore, Australia, or the Western nations. This unique balance of quality and cost-effectiveness makes Malaysia an attractive hub for international students seeking value without compromising on academic excellence. For example, a student in Malaysia can live comfortably under 3,000 ringgit per month, which covers rent, food, and daily transport. You can set a budget of around 1,000 ringgit for accommodation, 1,000 ringgit for food, and the remaining for bills, transport, and shopping. In contrast, choosing to study in a city like London requires a financial commitment that is nearly 3 times higher than in Malaysia. According to the British Council UK, the cost of living is an average of 1,400 British pound, which is equivalent to 8,000 ringgit to cover accommodation, food, and bills. Studying in Malaysia provides you the option to earn a foreign degree without needing to pay the international fees. For example, if you're interested in getting an IT degree from the UK, the University of Nottingham offers the Bachelor of Computer Science degree in Malaysia for a fee of 57,000 ringgit, which is 70% cheaper than studying the degree in Nottingham, UK. While studying in Nottingham, Malaysia, you can also participate in exchange or twinning programs to spend between 6 to 12 months in either Nottingham University UK or China campuses. If you're wondering what is the tuition fee like, let us break down some numbers for you. If you decide to study the full 3 years in Nottingham, UK, a standard degree will cost you around 180,000 ringgit per year, which is equivalent to 550,000 ringgit for a 3-year degree. If you decide to do a twinning program, spend a year in the UK through the inter-campus transfer program, you will pay a total of 100,000 ringgit in the first 2 years and 180,000 ringgit in the final year, which costs close to 300,000 ringgit for a 3-year degree. If you choose to go on an exchange program through the tri-campus exchange program, which is usually only a 6 months study abroad experience, you still gain some exposure studying abroad, but you will only need to pay your full tuition fees in ringgit, which is a total of 150,000 ringgit for a 3-year program. This is the same amount if you decide to complete all 3 years in Malaysia. These pathways ensure every student receives a world-class degree, and if budget allows, you can opt to study abroad with a significantly reduced financial commitment. Alright, let's say you have decided to study artificial intelligence. Great choice! Now comes the big question. Which university should you consider? In this part of the video, I'm going to break down some of my personal recommended choices to study AI in Malaysia. I've built this list based on a couple of criteria, which are rankings, quality of education, and most importantly, affordability. The ranking, which I will be referring to, is the 2026 QS subject ranking in data science and artificial intelligence. Rankings do change every year, so focus on the long-term potential rather than just today's numbers. Even so, rankings do matter for 2 big reasons. They often determine your eligibility for scholarship applications, especially government-funded ones. Graduating from a prestigious university also opens up doors to greater connection and better starting salary offers from top-tier companies. Let us be real, prestigious universities often comes with a huge price tag. And if you also include the living expenses, that may not be an option for most. That is why I've balanced this list with high-value, affordable picks. It's like picking an AV. You can go luxury with a BMW, or get the best bang for your buck with a BYD. Our top pick in this list is Monash University, a prestigious member of Australia's Group of 8, which is like the Ivy League equivalent for the US. Established in Malaysia 20 years ago in 1998, the university is entering an ambitious new era in 2026, following a massive 2.8 billion ringgit investment in a vertical campus at the Tun Razak Exchange. This future-ready facility is located in the heart of Kuala Lumpur's financial district and houses specialized research centers for generative AI, data science, and digital health. Monash University's Bachelor of Computer Science majoring in AI is offered each year in February, July, and October. Tuition fees for a Malaysian student is 47,000 ringgit per year or 57,000 ringgit for international students, making it my top pick for those seeking global prestige with local accessibility and manageable fees. The program is a standard 3-year program, and you can study the full degree in Malaysia or gain some study abroad experience by spending a semester or two in Australia through either the exchange program or the inter-campus transfer with the Australian campus. If you're looking for a university degree that is often ranked top 100 in the world, recognized internationally, and have dreams of experiencing life in Australia, this might be the right program for you. Our next pick on the list is Taylor's University. Under QS World University Rankings 2026, Taylor's University is ranked 252 in the world and ranked number 1 for the 5th consecutive year as Malaysia's number 1 private university. Taylor's University offers a dual award Bachelor of Computer Science, majoring in Artificial Intelligence. The program is 3 years and is designed in collaboration with the University of West England, UK. You will study machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, computer vision, and big data technologies. By studying the AI specialization, you will be at the forefront of developing intelligent systems that can learn, reason, and make decisions. In the final year of your studies, you can choose between 3 options to gain invaluable practical training experience. The first option is the conventional track, which provides valuable industry experience through internships or cooperative education placements. The second option, work-based learning, which provides hands-on experience with industry partners for a full year, allowing you to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world settings and gain relevant practical skills. The third option is the technopreneurship track, which emphasizes the entrepreneurial aspects of computer science. In this track, you will learn about technology-driven innovation, startup management, and business strategies in the digital era. This option is ideal for students who aspire to be tech entrepreneurs or work in technology startups. The Bachelor of Computer Science is offered in February, April, and September each year, with an annual tuition fee of 40,000 ringgit for Malaysian students and 50,000 ringgit for international students. You can also choose to complete your computing program with their established international partners in the UK and Australia through opting to go for the twinning program. Our final pick on this list is Multimedia University, also known as MMU. The university is widely regarded as the cradle of the digital economy, as it is the first private university to be established right in the heart of Cyberjaya, which is known as the Silicon Valley of Malaysia. In 2026, MMU maintains its prestigious Premier Digital Tech University status from MDAC, a distinction that makes MMU graduates highly desirable by local and international tech firms. The Bachelor of Science in Applied Artificial Intelligence is a 3-year program designed to equip students with the knowledge and skill to develop AI-powered solutions that drive innovation across industries. Offered in March, August, and October each year, the program focuses on the application of AI in automation, data intelligence, and smart decision-making systems, preparing graduates to lead the AI revolution in various sectors. MMU offers the best value for money in Malaysia, providing high-spec technical training for approximately half the price from its competitors. With annual fees sitting at 21,000 ringgit for Malaysian students and 26,000 ringgit for international students, it is a highly affordable option for students prioritizing affordability without needing to sacrifice quality of education. Aligned with MMU's strategic direction, this program is designed to bridge AI research with engineering applications. This enables graduates to contribute in solving real-world problems in sectors such as smart cities, healthcare, and advanced robotics. By integrating AI with engineering fundamentals, this program equips students with the ability to develop sustainable, efficient, and transformative AI technologies for the future. Well, that wraps up our guide to studying artificial intelligence in Malaysia for 2026. Remember, the tech world moves fast, and so is education. If you need help with answering questions regarding entry requirements, application procedure, and scholarship opportunities, check out the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. I will read all the comments and provide you with an answer. See you in the next podcast.